I'm going to be showing you how to get Eidolon Shards and Honkai Star Rail. So Eidolon Shards and Honkai Star Rail are crucial for upgrading the Eidolons of your light cone, significantly boosting their abilities. So how you can get them is really easy. The primary source is the Forgotten Hall, a roguelike mode. So that's the main source of the Eidolon Shards. So each floor of the Forgotten Hall offers a chance to obtain the Eidolon Shards corresponding to the light cones you have. So the higher the floors, the better the rewards. So make sure you go higher and higher. The Forgotten Hall resets daily, so this will help you farm more shards every day. You can also find them in limited time events. Certain limited time events sometimes offer Eidolon Shards as rewards for participating and completing event challenges. Just keep an eye out for announcements regarding these events, and you're good to go. So in all of these ways, you can successfully get Eidolon Shards and Honkai Star Rail. Just keep up with the missions and do your best. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.